Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Peri chicken wings recipe. Very delicious and delightful recipe. Chicken wings marination preparation. Chicken wings 1.5 kilogram. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Testing salt 1/2 teaspoon. Cashmere chili powder 2 teaspoon. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Mix well. Rest for 20 minutes. Peri marination sauce preparation. Onion 1/2. Bird eye chili 8 to 10 pieces. Garlic cloves 5 pieces. Tomato 1 medium. White vinegar 2 tablespoon. Chili powder 2 teaspoon. Dry rosemary 2 teaspoon. Oil 1/4 cup. Lemon juice 3 tablespoon. Blend well. After 20 minutes, add half of Peri marination sauce. Mix together. Rest for 1 hour. Add oil 2 tablespoon. Place the chicken wings in a grill pan. Flip. Cook 6 to 7 minutes. Done. Add chicken wings in the bowl. Add leftover Peri marination sauce. Mix. Place the chicken wings in the baking tray. Baking them preheated oven 350 F 20 minutes. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.